Hey, welcome to my channel. It's Jackson again. Today we shall be replacing a low beam headlight of a Nissan Rogue 2019. This is something that you can do by yourself at home to avoid extra charges at the repair shop. And for those that want to do it by themselves at home and you're wondering what kind of bulb that you need to replace for a low beam side of a 2019 Nissan Rogue, look for code H11, and I repeat H11 on Amazon or anywhere that you want to buy it. And for those that want to buy it on Amazon, I have a link in the description. And even other needs for your 2019 Nissan Rogue, actually 2017, 18, 19 and 2020 Nissan Rogue, for any other needs that you could be looking for, any other accessories for your car, for a Nissan Rogue, you can always check out the link in the description to our Amazon store. You can see the bulb that we want to change is just right behind us, so we won't be having any need of like using screws or making any changes. So I'll have my hand pass here like this, and as you can see, it's right here. This is the one that we shall be removing and replacing. So that's the time you know that you shall be unplugging and removing the bulb, then do the replacement. That's the one that you see right there. And here it is. As you can see, this is our bulb. It was just a matter of twisting, and then so this is the bulb that we just removed right here. And as you can see, I didn't have any tools with me because I had to change this asap. So I use my car keys right here. So this is our new bulb that we shall use to replace. So for those that want to go buy and you're driving a 2019 Nissan Rogue, you should look for this code H11. This is the exact code for the low beam headlight, H11. And if you go to Walmart, it's like $20, so you can, I think that's not so expensive for a bulb. And this is the one that we just removed. So that's the new bulb that I just put. I think you can see it right there. So I'll go ahead and power up the car and see if it's working. And this is the one that we just removed. And this is the new one that I replaced. Right there. As you can see, it's now works, so I'll go ahead and put it inside. There it is. let me go ahead and test it if it's working again. So put on the light. So guys, that's how you replace your 2019 Nissan Rogue headlight. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends that might find this video useful. And thanks for watching. See you next time on another video. Stay safe.